Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Fanttik T10 portable jump starter and power bank. So let's take a look. So inside you get the portable jump starter, the cables, user manual, and a storage bag. Briefly going over some specs, this is a portable jump starter and power bank. Peak amps is 1800, suitable for large displacement vehicles, 7-liter gasoline or 5-liter diesel, 12,000 milliamp battery, 30-watt charging speed, and it has a 100 lumen LED light. It has all the safety feature with spark-proof, reverse polarity, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, high temperature protection, overcharge, low temperature, and over current protection. So taking a look at the jump starter power bank, you can see that it has the branding on the bottom here, and you got the Fanttik logo. You got a large display along with the power button. And then on the side here, you have the LED light along with the power button. And then you have a cover here that you're gonna plug in the jumper cables if you wanna use that. On the other side here, you got your USB-C and USB-A ports. You also have a built-in USB-C cable, so you can charge your devices. And then powering it up, you'll see the battery level, and then you got your various input, output indicators on the bottom. So plugging in an iPhone using the charge out feature, you can see now that the output there is illuminated, and you can see the wattage. So that's one of the features. And then anytime you use the other ports, again, there's going to be an indicator. Taking a look at the bottom here with the light, it has the steady on for the LED. You got the warning red light, then you got like a strobe SOS, and then you can just cycle through there. So very handy, you know, especially if you're gonna jumpstart the vehicle and you need some light, this will come in handy. Opening the cover here will expose the input for the jumper cables. So basically, you just wanna line it up. You can only put it in one way. And once you insert it, you can see the start. It will start to blink. And then when you hook up the cables, which I'll show you in a second, it will become solid, and then you can jump start the vehicle. All right, so basically to use this for the jump starter feature, you wanna hook up the cables. Again, it only goes in one way. And it will be blinking, the start. So go ahead and hook up the cables. And there is protection, so if you do put the cables wrong, it's not gonna start. Now it's solid, you can see the start icon, so you can start the vehicle. It's that simple. And then you can also see here on the bottom, the battery indicator, the car battery. So you can see it says 12 volts. So depending, again, if you're charging, it's gonna have the voltage, depending if you're using the cable or the other ports. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Fanttik T10 portable jump starter and power bank. Again, this is very handy and really compact and portable. You have the jump starting capability, and also you can use this as a power bank, and it has this nice built-in light for emergencies or to assist you during the evenings when you're jump starting the vehicle. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.